What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. Firstly, just want to say a massive happy new year to each and every one of you. I hope you had a good Christmas and so on. I've taken a couple of weeks off over the Christmas period, then I had to self-isolate for 10 days because a family member had COVID. So we're going to get back into the videos. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is on the Peugeot Partner. Now, if you haven't done so already, I strongly advise going and watch the first video. I'll put a link in one of these top corners. Click on that, go and watch it, and then you'll be up to date on this video. This is part 2 on the Peugeot Partner. So let's get into it. Hope you enjoy it. Stay safe. Yeah, let's get into it. We did the first video and then it just sort of sat in the garage while we carried on with other projects, but now we're going to crack on with the Peugeot Partner van. For those of you that don't know, it's a 2009 Peugeot Partner. I bought this off of a friend and it had been used on a farm just to run around to feed the animals. It's currently being used as a bit of storage, stuff in the back at the moment. Have a look inside. The battery's completely dead. It does start. It's got an EGR fault. Now what we are going to do is we're going to take both seats out. We're going to give it a good clean. We're going to clean the seats, as you can see, absolute mess. So we're going to give it all a good clean out. Now I'll just have a look. It's missing the door stick, so we need to sort that out from one of the first jobs. Trim. It's missing the trim. We've got the trim. Now it's got a mark. Got a mark there. Not really too much we can do about that. Tyres are fat. It's been sat for a while. There is a dent there which we're going to try and pull out. And here the lock's missing. We have got a lock to put on it. We're going to get a blanking plate to put over that. We're going to sort of straighten that all out, get a plate made flush. It's just got loads of crap in it at the moment. So this is the lock that we've got to go on it. We're going to bolt that on, and that should do the job. So first job, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack the van up. I'm going to get all the wheels off, and there's also a massive oil leak on it as well. We've got the sand down there because it was parked further forward. You see that there. So that's something we need to investigate further. So what I'm going to do, get it jacked up, and then we can make a start finally on the Peugeot Partner van. I just wanted to get the wheels off, jack it up, have a proper look underneath, see what we're dealing with. Now as you can see, there is quite a lip on them discs, so we are going to need to change them. Whilst we're at it, what we're going to do, we are going to change the pads as well. Pretty non-existent, so yeah, needs a good clean up under here. It's the same on the other side. See there, nice big lip. Yeah, if you can see that, a little bit of meat on that. So we're going to put new pads, new discs on it, and we're going to get underneath, have a look, and see where the oil leak's coming from. Okay, so this looks very interesting. That is pretty bad. Yeah, not what we want to see, to be honest. I'll open the bonnet, see if I can see anything, but I don't know if it could be the sump gasket, but it goes higher up, so I doubt it is the sump gasket. But whatever it is, it's been leaking for a while. Yeah. Right, what I'm going to do quickly, I'm just going to hoover all these leaves and everything up there, and then just Just try and see where this oil leak's coming from. I've got a funny feeling it's coming from the turbo, but the turbo is not smoking or anything. To be fair, I haven't properly driven it, so I can't really comment as to if it is smoking or not. I just hope it's not another Vauxhall combo type van. But we'll get that hoovered up, and then we'll have a better look. Okay, guys. So if any of you know where to start in regards to looking for this oil leak, let me know in the comments, because I'm not going to lie, I don't know where to start. I mean, I originally thought it was coming from the sump, but as you can see, lighting's not great, but it looks like it's, let's get up there, looks like it's gone further up. So yeah, if any of you guys know where to start looking, that would be much appreciated. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to make a start getting these seats out. I mean, you just look, the lighting's not great, but you can just see the state of this. So what I'll do, might put a bit on time lapse, just showing us removing the seats, and then yeah, we get the seats out and we can start giving it a good clean. So I've given these a bit of a clean up. Not that it looks like I have, but obviously I think I'm going to need a wet vac to bring them up fully. I don't want to go too mad because it's a cheap van. I'll give it a wet vac. What I'm thinking of doing as well is just getting some seat covers, stick them over, and you know, we've got to remember it is a work van. So come around to the side. I've pulled slightly that dent out. There's still a little bit there. Again, not going to go too mad. I can't get in. Obviously, you've got the wheel arch boxing in there, so have another little play about with that. See what we can do there. But yeah, not going to go too mad there. Next job, I'm going to straighten all of this out. We've got a plate to go on there. Current state of play in here. Need a good hoover, a good clean, and a bit of TLC. We'll come back to that. I want to get this done first. Once all that's done, don't have to worry about that then. I have got some frosted like spray. I'm thinking of just putting that, spraying it on the inside. It just covers, you know, so you can't see in. So I'm going to do that. Okay guys, so we've given it a quick hoover out. It's not perfect, it's just stage one of the cleaning process. There is a few mould spots. We need to get sort of a wet back on that and tidy that up properly, but it is looking 10 times better than it was a minute ago. Giving the dash a quick clean. So we're going to wrap the video up there for today. Like I said, any of you guys know where to make a start in regards to this oil leak, please let me know in the comments down below. In the next video, we're going to be putting that strip back on. We're going to carry on with the interior. We're going to give the seats a final clean up. We've got to put that lock on the back door. Just come around there and show you guys quickly. I sprayed that mist spray on there. Seems to have done the trick. So slowly coming together. We've also got to have a look at that door as well, so there's still loads to crack on with. But that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you're new, do hit that subscribe button to keep up to date. There's plenty more to come. The course is now up for sale. We've got the transit should be all but done by next week. It's a slow process, but yeah, we're slowly cracking through it. So, and hopefully it won't be long before this is up for sale. So like I said, if you're new and you enjoy the content, please hit that subscribe button. Appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the comments. It really does help. Until next time guys, take it easy. I'll see you very soon. Peace.